Hello friends, everyone. So today I'm going to open these floating pens and I'm going to tell you how to use them. So let's open them. So from here we have to open them and let's take this color. It's really light and bright. So now we have to open the cap of this. It's really hard. Okay, so it's been done now. So now we have to just make anything what you want, any design. So like I'm making a flower. And there should be one bowl of water here with you. So now I have drawn the flower now on the spoon. So now I have to dip it. See if it's going. Okay. Okay, it's going. Oh my gosh. It's really nice. But it's not working well, so I don't know. No, it's my first time, so maybe it will not come, but I don't know. I'll press it. Let's do it now with finger. Oh, it's really done. Now let's make one more. So we have to wipe this film. This is how your drawing will flow.